Good day, folks. Here we are. Gonna be honest, didn't really feel like recording today, but you know what? This is the first truck house camping recording or trip of the new year, so it's gonna be the first time I light up the wood stove for 2024. And I got a new little technique I want to show you guys. If you guys remember from last year or not, they were pretty good, but like I said, I didn't really plan on filming today, but they are calling for 30 centimeters of snow, so that's about a foot of snow or so. So yeah, figure I'd show you that just in case we get stuck. Could be entertaining. I hope I don't get stuck. I do have 2 set of traction boards just in case. But anyhow, I'm gonna go out, show you guys a cheese dog recipe. I've done it before, Chicago style cheese dog. Amazing, I tell ya. And slowly get back into the truck house camping. So anyhow, I'll show you guys the road trip there. And stay tuned, my friends. Cheers. Here we are. I think I found our camp spot. So a little bit of snow, I don't know, a few centimeters. If there's this big snowstorm, kind of intrigued on seeing how much it will fall, how interesting the roads will be on the way out. Hopefully we don't need the traction boards. So anyhow, my first episode, I'm going to try to give you guys a little bit of tips and tricks on camping. Like here you go, you got this trail. There's a bit of traffic that comes through here. There's a trail here. There is not much traffic, but there still is room for a snow machine or ATV to come by. So just don't block roads. Little tip of advice. So yeah, time to get through here and get some cheese dog cooking. So I'm hungry. I said camping tips. Try to be a little bit more organized than this. Hold on. Let me clean this up. I'll get back to you guys. Chicago style Chicago style cheese dog. Yeah, get the tongue twister. So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys have seen my Chicago style cheese dog, but if so, it's made the same way as a Chicago style hot dog, except for a cheese dog. So let me tell you guys the ingredients. Some mustard in there. Okay, preferably some mustard that's not a little bit frozen, but don't worry, that'll get sorted out in a bit. There we go. Just gonna spread our mustard around. Next, we got some relish. Next, we got some of these pickles. Next, we got some our tomato wedges, and then some onions. And hold on, I'm getting fancy now. We got some celery salt. Oh yeah, this is I can tell you right now, this is going to be magic. Not too bad. Still needs to be warmed up a bit, but not sure if I mentioned enough how many times I love this freaking stove. Best modification I've ever done to the old time machine, the truck house. but I don't necessarily recommend it to anybody because I don't want to hear about any of you guys burning down your trucks and blaming it on me. If you do so, do it with caution, and always remember a fire extinguisher just in case. But anyhow, yeah, last week's video was kind of longer than I normally like to have my videos, so I'm going to try to keep this one short. Yeah, this is actually 2 weeks later than after the cheese dog episode, so time to tell you what we got planned on all season adventures for 2024. Might be a bit late since almost already at the end of the month. We ain't got many truck house camping episodes left. Why? Because in less than 2 weeks, I'm getting surgery on this ankle, the inside over there. Yeah, I can rarely walk around the block without feeling like somebody's got spiked nails in it. So I'm gonna get some surgery done. So that means I'll be hobbling for about a month or so. Missed all season. Asked, how am I gonna go camping? So I guess that'll be a stop to camp. And Time Machine is a manual rig, but we got the Magnum. You guys seen me camping a Magnum? Maybe some of you guys have. I don't know. But the Magnum's perfect for camping. So the plan with the Magnum for next month or so will be going to do some food. Gonna mix up the channel a bit. Do a little bit of change. Gonna do some food reviews, I think. We all know how expensive food is getting, fast food especially. But the way I look at it, if you go at a fast food joint, Burger King, McDonald's, whatever, spend $15 for 15 bucks total. If you look at it this way, $5 for a burger, fries, and drink, and $10 for lodging, as in camping overnight, then that ain't a bad price in my mind. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. $10 for lodging, $5 for a meal-ish, not too bad. So yeah, I figure I'll do that, give them some reviews, see how I like it, try to find some good budget prices for some good meals. And what else coming up in the new year? Miss All Season's actually going to go away for a while, so still going good. Me and her still getting A1, but no, she's just going away for a while. But that means the teddy bear, the psychopath, Gizmo, he'll be doing lots of camping with All Season. And besides that, this summer, Miss All Season and myself are really talking about going down to the mini golf capital. Not sure if you guys have been following our summer trips much, but we love mini golf. Far from experts, but we still love playing our mini golf. So we are going to go to the. She challenged me to another tournament, and she wants to play some real big leagues. So we Googled where's the best mini golf you can find, and the biggest mini golf capital is actually Virginia, I believe. Man, what's the name of the beach? Hold on a second. Okay, there we are. I'm back. Just had to do a little bit of Google machine. Myrtle Beach. So yeah, it's down in Myrtle Beach. Apparently that is the mini golf capital of the world. And we did some Googling. They got like over 100 mini golf courses there. So definitely won't be playing them all. But should be good of a laugh. We'll suck by the time we get there. Maybe we'll be mediocre by the time we get back. I don't know. But now, stay tuned for that one. That'll be coming up this summer. We're actually thinking about taking a reliable vehicle this time. So that'd be a change for All Season. I'm sorry, I know. Where's the adventure in life if we take a reliable vehicle? But anyhow, that's about that. That'll be this summer. And then beside that, this summer we'll still have lots of KTM, KLR camping trips beside that. And some cheese dog cooking. There will be some cheese dog cooking in the Magnum. Don't you worry. Maybe a Burger King and McDonald's meal, then a cheese dog for dessert. I don't know. We'll see. But we got some stuff on the agenda, so stay tuned, my friends. And last week's, I said it was supposed to be a big storm. It wasn't much. It had some snow, but it wasn't. I put 4-wheel drive, but I could have got out there in 2-wheel drive. It wasn't worth filming for you guys. I'm sorry. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I was a bit lazy. So anyhow, I just figured I'd give you guys a little talk preview what's going to happen in the new year. Till next time, hopefully I can motivate you guys to live a bit. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. And to all you guys, remember to live, and cheers. Oh yeah.